The Kinect is a device created by Microsoft, originally called Project Natal in 2009, and it was eventually released in 2010 for Xbox 360. The main idea around the Kinect is a device that allows us to identify the body and using that information be able to move an avatar and have interaction. So that's why the thinking behind the Kinect is that you can play video games using your body. So basically, Microsoft was trying to find new ways to bring more customers into their platform. They were fighting against Nintendo, which was releasing the Wii at that time, and they had the nunchucks, which was a different interaction. So they introduced this device. It's important to say that, well, the first thing is that it became a huge success, but actually it was not for video games. It became a huge success because it was used primarily by researchers and universities. The thing is that before this, if you wanted to have body tracking, you had to calibrate two cameras, and it was a little bit kind of difficult, or you have to get an IR projector and an IR camera, and then be able to gather that information. And if both cameras move a little bit or tilt for a little bit, they will be out of place. So you need to recalibrate them. So when Microsoft introduced the Kinect, everybody was incredibly happy because it was a device that had already all of this, and it was actually cheaper than buying the components independently. So this is an important thing. Microsoft actually was losing money for every Kinect they were selling. Uh, this is one of the strategies that they tried to follow for pushing more the Xbox 360, and it was the opportunity was seized by the researchers. So as you can see from the image, you can see that we have an IR projector. That means an infrared projector, which is a light that we cannot see, but this device can see. We have a normal RGB camera to capture what's happening, and we have an infrared camera. So the projector sends the infrared light, and the camera gathers information once it bounces back. And this is how they get the distance between the device and what's in front of it. Okay, so first thing, we have a field of view, and as you can remember is how many degrees can we see on the horizontal and the vertical. From this data sheet you can see that it has a 57.5 degrees horizontal and 43.5 degrees vertical. The device is able to find depth starting from the zero point 0.8 meters and all the way to 4 meters. If you put something closer to 0.8 meters, the device is not going to be able to recognize it. And if you put something further than 4 meters, it's not going to recognize it either. For the camera, as you can see, it is not a high quality camera. It was just an RGB camera to help on the calibration. So that means that the camera is a 640 times 480 pixels. And it was able to run either at 30 frames per second or 15 frames per second if we were using a different color mode between RGB or YUV. Now, the depth camera was even smaller. It was 320 by 240. Okay, so it was not completely precise, but it was actually really good what we were able to get from this. And another thing that they included was a 4 microphone array. So the device could be able to gather your voice and get voice recognition. So you can use voice commands. An important thing is that it used USB 2.0, and usually the latency was around 90 milliseconds, including the processing. And they included a tilt motor, which allowed the device to tilt a little bit up or down. And actually, when you turn on the Xbox 360, the device did a little bit of a scan to try to frame you on the best way possible. Now, after the big success that was this, and actually it was a big success part because a non-commercial SDK was released. So the device had around 1 month, and a group of hackers created the OpenKinet SDK. Uh, it was a really funny thing because Microsoft didn't allow that, so they had to reverse everything that the device was giving them, and they tried to reconstruct as much as possible. So there were a few people right there that could work with this device. I was actually among one of the first users using the OpenKinet SDK for my master thesis, and it worked okay. But for example, you didn't have access to the 4 microphone array, so there were some kind of hiccups that you had to fix on the way there. Eventually, Microsoft felt that they were well, betrayed in part, and also that it was a huge amount of people trying to work against this. So they eventually released a commercial SDK, and in 2012 they released a Kinect that was specifically for Windows. Okay, so this is an important part. What we had before this was an adapter created on China that allow us to convert the port to connect it to a laptop, either Linux, Mac, or Windows. After it was a good success and Microsoft released the Xbox One, they decided to upgrade the Kinect to the Kinect 2.0. The Kinect 2.0 had a bigger field of view. As you can see, 70 degrees horizontal by 60 degrees vertical. It had the same amount of depth, but the RGB camera improved a lot. It became a full screen camera. The depth screen was improved as well. It was used 512 by 424. The audio capture remained the same, but these changes meant that they had to change the kind of cable that you had to use on the connection. So this device uses a USB 3.0, and the latency was reduced to 16 milliseconds with processing. Since the field of view was increased, there was no need for a tilt motor to scan everything. And on this class, you're welcome to use either one of the two, but I'm going to talk specifically on this video on how to set up and use the Kinect 2.0. Okay, so as you can see, this is the version 2 of the Kinect. I will open up the box, pamphlets, and right here you can see that we have the Kinect. Okay, so one important thing about this is that you can check the kind of connection that it has. So this is a different kind of connection. We are going to need a special connector to use it. Okay, so right below here, we have right here the different connectors. Okay, so you can see that we have this one, which will allow us to connect it. Okay. And we have this one right here. Okay. So this is the one that we are going to connect from the Kinect. You can see right here the logo of the Kinect to the super speed USB. Okay. And from here with a connection. This connection is for energy. Okay. So I'm going to put right now the Kinect right here so we can continue with this call. Okay, so this connector shows this port goes right here. And now we just need to connect the energy to it. Okay? So as you can see here, I have this energy connector. And this is a regular energy socket that we will connect directly to the power source. So now we are going to use the Unity package to start working with the Kinect. As you know, it only takes a little while to get everything loaded up. It's very important to mention that this is not for commercial use. The license that I have for this one is academic. If you want to use it for commercial uses, you can find this package on the Asset Store and buy it for every project that you are going to work on. Okay, so now that we have this ready, we can check on the console. We are going to find that there are some errors. This is because the package is a little bit old and the new versions of Unity have deprecated some things like the GUI texture. So the first thing that we are going to do is remove every GUI texture. Okay, basically we are not going to use it right now. If you want, you can change this to the new UI system that Unity has. So you have all the different options that this enables. Okay, so after we do this, we let it recompile and we find that there are other issues. So it seems that right here, because of the way that uh, that there are some comments right there, so I have to remove this part. Okay, let's see if with this it's now I will just comment it. Still not working. Well, maybe the best thing will be to just remove all of this. You have the original package, and from there you can work on it if you want to transform it to the new UI. Okay, we'll let it recompile, hit clear to see the new issues, and we find other scripts that are still using deprecated things like GUI texture. So I will remove this one as well. Okay. Now we have a new issue. Let's check the line. It's right here. Okay. Go below. It's a big file. And as you can see, it says different than Unity 2019. So I'm going to change this to 2020. So it's going to work with our version that we are using right now. Okay, and that's it. Seems everything is compiling, so now it is time to run one of the demos. So I'm going to open this Collider demo. I hit play, and from the console we can see that everything is working properly. Okay, so it says waiting for users. Okay, I'm right here in front of the camera, and you can see that this is colliding with my body. So it is properly working. We have right here, you can unfold the different assets that we have right here to see how it's working. It's just basically adding colliders to it. Let's try a different demo. The avatar demo, so you can see it on a character working. Okay, so this is going to set up the bones from what is reading from the Kinect. So you can see on the bottom part on the right where it is identifying me with the depth camera and how it is setting up the bones, and you can see my hands as well. Okay, now an important thing to remember about all of this is that if we occlude some part of our body, it's not going to be seen, so it's not going to work. So it is very important that there are some kind of movements that we are not going to be able to track because something is in front of the camera, okay? And we will have to create a multi-camera system to actually capture that. So just keep in mind that some gestures and some things are not possible on this. Also, check all the different files and how it is setting up things. One of the big advantages of Unity is that we can, on top of what we have right here, start adding more stuff. And this is basically how we can start using the Kinect, and you can start working on projects with this. Okay, now it is time to put this device away. So we basically need to reattach every single cable. We can start with the power cable. We remove again aspects. Here we have attachment cable with this. And inside of here, we have the space to put everything away. Okay, so I have first thing right here. I will reattach the energy and the second cable for the USB. Sometimes it can get entangled rather easily. Okay, here we go. And again, it is not. And okay, so we finish this cable. Here as well. Final cable. And as you can see, this is the last thing that we have left. So I put that one away. Now we have this part here. And we can take our Kinect right here. And we just need to grab the cable. Make sure that everything is there correctly. And there we go.